Have you ever walked past a bamboo plant and wondered if those thick woody stalks were the whole story? It seems strange that one of the tallest grasses on Earth could also produce something people actually eat. So what exactly are bamboo shoots? Are they really edible? And if they are, why don't they taste anything like the hard bamboo poles we use for furniture, scaffolding, or even fishing rods? The answer turns out to be a story about one of the fastest growing plants in the world, ancient farming traditions, and a race against time before a tender shoot transforms into something too tough to chew. Today, we will uncover the surprising journey of bamboo shoots from the forest floor to the dinner table, right here on History of Simple Things. Bamboo shoots are the young, newly emerging stems of bamboo plants. Before a bamboo stalk grows tall and hard, it first pushes out of the ground as a soft, tightly wrapped shoot. At this early stage, the tissues are still tender, making them edible. People have been harvesting bamboo shoots for thousands of years, particularly across East, Southeast, and South Asia, where bamboo forests have long been an important source of food and building materials. Ancient Chinese writings mention bamboo shoots as early as the Zhou dynasty, more than 2,500 years ago, and they were often considered a seasonal delicacy enjoyed during spring. One reason bamboo became such an important food source is because it grows incredibly fast. Some species can grow more than half a meter, or nearly 2 feet, in a single day under ideal conditions. That speed creates a very small window for harvesting. Once the shoot begins stretching upward, its cells quickly fill with lignin, the same tough material that makes wood rigid. Within just a few days, what was once soft enough to slice with a knife can become far too fibrous to enjoy. Farmers have learned to harvest shoots while they are still buried slightly underground or just beginning to emerge, before nature turns them into towering canes. That also explains why bamboo shoots look so different from mature bamboo. They resemble large cones wrapped in thick brown or green protective leaves. Peel those layers away, and inside is a pale, firm core that can be sliced and cooked. In many ways, it is similar to harvesting asparagus or harvesting the heart of a palm tree. You are eating a plant before it fully develops into its adult form. But here's something many people don't realize. Fresh bamboo shoots should not usually be eaten raw. They naturally contain compounds called cyanogenic glycosides, which can release small amounts of cyanide when the plant tissue is damaged. While that sounds alarming, the solution has been known for generations. Boiling the shoots thoroughly removes most of these compounds, making them safe to eat. Different cultures developed similar cooking methods long before scientists understood the chemistry involved. It is another example of traditional cooking practices solving a problem through experience. Once cooked, bamboo shoots have a mild, earthy flavor with a satisfying crunch. Rather than overpowering a dish, they absorb the flavors around them. That is why they appear in everything from stir-fries and soups to curries, noodle dishes, spring rolls, and pickled vegetables. In countries like China, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, and India, bamboo shoots remain a popular seasonal ingredient, while canned bamboo shoots have made them available year-round in many parts of the world. In the Philippines, bamboo shoots are known as labong. They are commonly cooked in coconut milk with chili and shrimp paste or added to soups and stews. For many families, harvesting labong after the rainy season is a familiar tradition. It also reflects an important idea in agriculture, using every useful part of a plant. Bamboo provides building materials, baskets, paper, musical instruments, and food, all from the same remarkable grass. Yes, grass. That surprises many people because bamboo can grow over 30 meters, or nearly 100 feet, tall. Despite looking like a tree, bamboo actually belongs to the grass family. It is simply an unusually large grass with hollow stems and an extraordinary growth rate. This unusual biology is what makes bamboo shoots possible. The edible shoot is really the beginning of a giant blade of grass before it reaches its full size. Today, scientists continue studying bamboo not only as a food crop but also as an environmentally valuable plant. Bamboo absorbs carbon dioxide efficiently, grows without needing to be replanted after every harvest, and helps prevent soil erosion with its extensive root system. Harvesting young shoots also does not necessarily harm the entire plant, because the underground network continues producing new shoots each growing season. In well-managed bamboo forests, people can harvest food while the plant continues to thrive. Of course, not every bamboo species is grown for eating. There are well over 1,000 species of bamboo, and only certain kinds produce shoots that are commonly harvested for food. Even among edible species, taste and texture can vary. Some are sweeter, while others have a slight bitterness that disappears after proper cooking. Over centuries, farmers selectively cultivated varieties with better flavor and larger shoots, much like people bred different kinds of apples or corn. The popularity of bamboo shoots also reflects something larger about human history. Across many cultures, people learned to recognize that the earliest stage of a plant's life could offer completely different qualities than the mature plant. We eat baby carrots, young spinach leaves, and fresh corn before they dry out. Bamboo shoots follow the same principle, except the transformation is much more dramatic. In just a matter of weeks, the tender shoot on your plate could have become a towering bamboo pole strong enough to support a building scaffold. So, are bamboo shoots edible? Absolutely, but only when harvested at the right time and prepared properly. They are the young beginnings of one of nature's fastest-growing plants, captured during the brief moment before they become tough and woody. The next time you see bamboo swaying in the wind or notice bamboo shoots in a bowl of noodles or a can at the grocery store, you'll know you're looking at two completely different stages of the same remarkable plant. It's a reminder that sometimes the biggest surprises in nature are hidden in plain sight, waiting just beneath the ground before they grow into something we think we already know. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.